Your brain is broken, not permanently, but right now, in this moment, it is struggling to do the one thing that separates successful people from everyone else: focus. You sit down to study or work. 5 minutes in, you're on your phone. You tell yourself one quick scroll. 30 minutes later, you're watching videos of people you've never met, living lives you don't care about. And here's the scary part. It's not laziness. It's not weakness. It's biology. And if you don't fix this, the smartest version of you will never show up. We are the first generation in human history to carry a dopamine machine in our pocket, 24 hours a day. Every like, every notification, every scroll. Your brain releases a tiny shot of dopamine. It feels good. It feels easy. So your brain starts craving it more. And slowly, anything that doesn't give instant reward starts to feel boring. Reading feels boring. Studying feels impossible. Even thinking deeply starts to feel uncomfortable. Your attention span isn't shrinking because you're getting dumber. It's shrinking because you've accidentally trained your brain to need constant stimulation. And the result? You sit with a book for 10 minutes and feel restless. You open your laptop to work and end up on YouTube within seconds. You know what you need to do. You just can't make yourself do it. But here's what nobody tells you. You can rewire this. Not in 30 days. Not with some complicated system. Starting today. Here's how. Trick 1. The 48-hour detox reset. You can't fix a noisy room by adding more noise. Your brain needs a reset first. For the next 48 hours, cut your screen time in half. Not zero, just half. No mindless scrolling before bed. No phone first thing in the morning. Replace those 15 minutes with literally nothing. Just sit. Let your brain get bored. Boredom is not a problem. Boredom is your brain starting to heal. After 48 hours, you'll notice something strange. Things you normally found boring start feeling interesting again. Trick 2. The one-tab rule. Every time you open your laptop to work or study, you're allowed exactly one tab. 1. Not 8 tabs open. Not music plus notes plus YouTube plus, I'll just check this one thing. One tab. When your brain knows it cannot escape, it stops trying to escape. It actually focuses. Try this for one session. Just one. You'll be shocked how much you get done. Trick 3. Reward the right brain. Right now, your brain connects phones with reward and studying with pain. We need to flip that. Here's the trick. Every time you complete a 25-minute focused session, do something that feels good. Not scrolling. Eat something you like. Stretch. Listen to one song. Walk around. You're teaching your brain that focus equals reward. After a few days, your brain starts looking forward to the focused session because it knows what comes after. This is called dopamine anchoring, and it is one of the most powerful things you can do for your productivity. Trick 4. The airplane mode switch. This one sounds too simple, but it works every single time. Before any serious work or study session, put your phone on airplane mode and place it in another room. Not silent. Not face down. Another room. Research shows that just having your phone on the desk reduces your cognitive capacity, even if it's off. Your brain is spending energy trying to resist it. Remove the temptation completely, and that energy goes straight to your work. Here's the truth. You are not the problem. Your habits are. So today, pick one of these 4 tricks. Just one. Apply it in your very next session. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Today. If this hit different, subscribe. And watch this video next. It'll show you exactly how to build a morning routine that protects your focus before the day even begins.